Step-by-step guide, operating the DTG-4060II direct-to-garment printer. In the printer driver interface, click Connect. When the icon turns green, click OK. Open DevStudio RIP 8. Select the image you want to print and click Open to import it onto the canvas. Adjust the size and position of the image. Click the Print button at the top. In the pop-up window, confirm by clicking Print again in the lower right corner. You will see the print file being generated in the print queue on the right. Open the online driver, import the print file, and click Start Printing.